What is up guys, WRXer here, and today I'm going to be talking about my WRX. So I've been having a few issues with it. I've had this check engine light for since I got the engine swap. Like it says I have 165,000 miles, which means I actually have only 65,000 miles on the engine because I swapped it exactly at 150,000 miles. So my engine has 65,000 miles on it. JDM swapped EJ205, and the car runs pretty good. But I've been having some issues with it lately, and mainly it makes a grinding noise. I don't know how to describe it really. It sounds like I have a motor mount loose, and they looked at my car and everything and they said that it's fine. So I don't know exactly what's making that grinding noise, but I hate it. And also, if you guys see my older videos, you would know that. So I'm in gear. I'm in first gear. Look at this. I'm in gear right now. Like, this is neutral. Neutral. First gear. Second. Third. Like, it should not be moving that much. And so whenever you're trying to find the gear going into it, it's really easy to grind the gear. So I grind the gear almost on the daily basis, just trying to find the gear because there's no bushing. So I don't know if there's any bushings in it or if there's just old. I have no idea, but it's really bad. All right, I went ahead and turned my car off, and I put my stock intake back on it, so I don't have any swishing noises or anything, because I'm gonna bring in my car to a shop to get the check engine light fixed, because apparently it's just a sensor that's out, so that should be a pretty easy fix. Yeah, I tried getting footage of the grinding noise it's making. It's only when I'm going kind of slow, like let's say second gear, I'm just kind of slowly going to like a stop sign or something. You hear this awful grinding noise. It sounds like a motor mount is loose, but apparently it's not loose, because that's what they told me, that's not loose. I don't know what would cause that noise to be happening, but hopefully I can get that fixed too pretty soon. So within the next week, I'm gonna be having a lot of work done to my car, and hopefully it comes out good. I'll still be making videos for you guys. I'm not gonna let it stop me from making videos, obviously. Supercar Sunday is tomorrow, and that should be a great turnout. I think it's from like 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. so it's a longer show than normal, which is gonna be awesome. But that's pretty much it. I just want to give you guys a quick update on my car and what's been going on, because I've been having a lot of issues with it. And also the tow company still has not, I've still not heard about them about fixing this dent. They still have not contacted me at all, so I don't know what I'm gonna have to do. I'm gonna have to start doing some legal actions on them or something, because I have proof that they damaged my car, and I have it all recorded. It's actually on my YouTube channel. You can look back to my videos. You see WRX broke down, and then you'll see the tow company video, which is, it's just insane, how they can just do that. But that is it. I hope you guys all enjoy the videos to be coming soon, because this video is not really that great. It's just a update, which I don't really like doing update videos because I think they're kind of boring. But yeah, that's it. Please give this video a thumbs up, and peace out.